3 months ago, almost at this very moment, a ceasefire was announced here in Gaza. And I stood here and I asked a very simple question. Would a ceasefire finally mean dignity, safety, health for Palestinian children here? And now we're standing in bitter cold, surrounded by windswept tents, still the sound of explosions and gunfire. It's still unimaginably hard in Gaza and made worse by needless challenges layered one upon another. But I am in awe of what Palestinians and my UNICEF colleagues have been able to do for children here. Supplying nearly 1 million thermal blankets and hundreds of thousands of winter clothing kits for children. We've added 70 nutritional facilities across Gaza, got more than 125,000 girls and boys into learning spaces, and carried out urgent, life-saving repairs to water and sewage systems driven by Palestinian ingenuity rather than spare parts. But this is an extremely harsh winter, and with 2/3 of people still living in tents and restrictions on everything from cooking gas to school materials. And whilst the ceasefire reduced the carnage in Gaza, it also reduced the world's attention on Gaza, even as girls and boys are still killed and others die slowly. After unprecedented destruction and killing, Palestinians deserve a genuine peace dividend.